Good morning, neighbors. Or afternoon now. Weather's cooled off here in Portland. That's a good thing. Hope the audio comes through in this. Anyhow, topic of the day, of the moment, deep ocean mining. You can go find some articles that the Deep Ocean Mining Treaty can't be agreed upon. It's worded a bit differently, depending on the article that you find. So, deep ocean mining studies began this year. Basically, there's a UN Charter Commission meant to study and create the regulations, the boundaries, the guidelines, the rules for deep ocean mining. This is mining, exactly what it says, deep ocean. These are offshore ventures. There is no owning nation to the activities. The regulator in this case is NATO. So is a understanding of how this globe works. IST leaves the UN to regulate that, or pirates to regulate it. Because in the contract that began this year, a 2-year contract to come up for the rules, the guidelines, the happy wishes, the thoughts and prayers to regulate deep ocean mining. What does that mean? So, what it means is, if you understand projects and programs and how they're created, the United Nations created a group of people that are called stakeholders in this adventure. That two dozen people, those people are negotiated in place because one side might not want to talk to the other one. So this treaty, just to begin with, was negotiated. And down in the fine print, if the regulations are not created within 2 years, deep ocean mining officially begins. The pirates win. It's a question of if we're going to do it better or if we're going to destroy whole oceans, maybe subsets, fracture an ecological niche that supplies food to a continent. The only other article I saw about this was acoustic concerns. No idea if they're planning explosives. There's an option for you. But even the testing, the sonar used to map the rocks, the areas they want to see, require these blasts, these explosions, these booms underwater. It's killed dolphins, probably injured hearing of other animals and mammals around. The other issue, squirrel fight in the backyard, way cool. And hummingbirds are coming and going, but that's a different video. The silt stirred up on the ocean floor. Some folks are just beginning to grasp atmospheric dynamics. How on a hot day you can get hail. How weather fronts can come through. How more frequent and how often these higher impact weather issues are happening. Those dynamics, those currents, those physics, actually it's fluid dynamics. The air is a fluid in those models. Speaks to those issues, those problems, concerns, risks. So, this should be done better. Thank you for listening.